Oh, Mr. Linus, are you having a good day today? Are you having a good day today? Oh, yes. Oh. Live spit up from Austin, Texas. Big Brown. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Mr. Fun. Mr. Fun. Uh-oh. Getting hungry. Mr. Bobblehead. Getting hungry? Mm-hmm. Did somebody say boobies? I like boobies. Oh! Another one? Oh. Bless you. Alright. Say goodbye.